for the last example of the radicals, to get the d by itself, you're just solving an equation. So we're going to we're going to divide by the square root of 4. And that cancels. So we have 18 over the square root of 4, but that becomes a 2, and that divides to be 9. So my answer is 9. For B, same idea. I want to divide by the square root of 9. So x equals 12. And then the square root of 9 is 3, so it's 12 over 3, and that divides to be 4. In letter C, we divide by the square root of 3. And we have 8 over the square root of 3. So now this is really very much like what we just did up here. Okay? And we need to rationalize the denominator by multiplying by the denominator. So I have 8 radical 3 on the top, and then 3 times 3 is 9, so I have the square root of 9. This is 3, and I keep the numerator the same, and 8/3 can't reduce, so that's my answer. In letter D, this is the same thing as this here. I just wrote it a little bit differently. So I'm still dividing. This still means division. X times radical 2, the opposite is to divide radical 2. So I have x equals 14 over the square root of 2. I need to multiply by the denominator. And I get 14 radical 2 over the square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. And 14 divided by 2 is 7. So my answer is 7 radical 2.